Okay, here we go. Hey everybody. Good afternoon. Whoa, I got my gloves on here. It's time to, we got a lot of work we got to do today. We've got to start off here with getting the feeder filled up. That's going to be the first duty. Next duty is going to be to add a bar to the old hive, and then I got to make sure the bars are honeycomb is going straight, and remove it from the side with my little thing. With my little, see this? This is from Carolyn, my mentor, and I got some kind of upside down it, right? Do the old upside down trick until it stops blowing. Drop it on in. It's got a nice little plate. Whoa, hey bee! Yeah, we gotta get out of the way, buddy. There you go. Whoa! That guy just flew out. Oh, there goes another one. Oh, another one. Okay, so we got feeder in. Next thing is we're gonna move the traveler thing that's got the hole. Next, gotta get my tool. I'm gonna get some little spray so we can spray these whoppers. But I'm gonna use this thing here to cut away at the sides of the honeycomb where it's touching. So get ready, because we're about to see some really crazy honeycomb, I got a feeling. Come check this out. I know there's bees flying everywhere, but that's, you see in there? That's a honeycomb. That's the bees all up on the comb. Woo! You can see really nice honeycombs. Wow, that one's definitely straight. Whoa, this one is too. You can see real well how these honeycombs are doing. Oh my God, there's bees putting their heads in them. Wow. And what I need to do is just kind of like spray a little simple sugar here. So you want to see a footy?
Yeah.
That's when I said like, oh, look today. Oh my God. Beautiful. That's quite something, isn't it?